Welcome to Chemistry Revision on the Move. Carboxylic acids and their derivatives. We're going to be considering a series of compounds that include carboxylic acids, carboxylic acid salts, esters, acyl chlorides, acid amides, substituted amides and acid anhydrides. You'll start to get the idea as we go along. There are patterns. So to begin with, let's introduce you to a couple of the types of compounds that we're going to be considering. Let's start with carboxylic acids. Here is propanoic acid. Now the name of course indicates how many carbons that you have, as well as the fact that it's a carboxylic acid. You can see that the prop telling you 3 carbons with the functional group C-double-bond-O-OH. Condensed form, you can write it as CH3CO2H or even CH3CH2COOH. Now you will also come across aromatic carboxylic acids. Benzene carboxylic acid is a good example. Now you will notice that there are different ways to write the benzene ring. You can write it as shown, or you can write it in a skeletal form, which is essentially a hexagon with a circle in it, or the QEChRoMe structure with alternating carbon double single bonds. Condensed formula C6H5CO2H. Esters, there is sometimes a little bit of a problem in terms of naming of esters. Here's an example of an ester. Now this one is methyl propanoate. Notice how the name is made up. The methyl part is that, and the propanoate part is the rest of it. So you have to be careful when naming these compounds. Here you can see the condensed formula is CH3, CH2, CO2, CH3. But beware, look at the next slide. Now what is this compound? Well, surprise, surprise, you've got a methyl group and you've got a propanoate group. All that's happened is that this molecule has been flipped around, but it's still methyl propanoate. So take care. Notice the condensed formula reflects the way that the structure is drawn. The two are equally valid.